Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And I was walking through Bed Bath & Beyond and I saw these EZSTAX. I believe this was a Kickstarter a few years ago. It looked pretty cool to me. It's a way to organize your t-shirts. Most of mine I hang. My husband, most of his hang. Some of it he does fold and they're on shelves. So if you have a stack of t-shirts and then you want to say get one out, you know, more than likely you're going to pull
Everything out.
So these are kind of like files in a way. So we're going to give them a try. I read some reviews, a lot of mixed reviews.
Yeah. I mean, the concept
It's great.
is great.
Yeah.
If it works.
If it works. And the good thing about these are made from recycled material. So that's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
But one of the complaints is they feel very cheap.
Yeah. Well, I will say that when you showed it to me, I was kind of like, did she just pull that out of her closet from 1984? It just looks outdated. But, I mean, it looks outdated.
I mean, I get where they're trying to be colorful here, but that's not realistic because I don't think most people's t-shirts, you have all kinds of different sizes. And so, and I did say it was good for like a suitcase if you're traveling that I could see. And also, it's funny here, it says the office. I'm thinking, why in the world are people taking their clothes to their office? But what they mean is for papers, and you can stack them. So,
Yeah.
so
I mean,
let's give it a try.
Okay.
Okay, so let's open. These were $19.99.
Okay.
And we give 18. I give 18. And you're supposed to use these. Oh. Feels cheaper than I thought.
Ooh.
Like right.
Yeah.
I can see these ripping.
Yeah. It feels like
Oh, it already has right there.
you just opened it. Oh, they're all ripped.
They're all ripped.
Yeah. They are.
All right. Well, we're gonna see.
Oh, yeah. We'll just see.
All right. So it says you can use this as a guide to folding. So
Kind of like the t-shirt guides at the Gap.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah. So, no. How would you use this then? You do it this way.
Yeah.
So, just as a...
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
So, and I believe there's two different sizes. I only saw one size at...
Oh, so like if you had kids' clothes, this is a little big.
Right, or if you had extra...
Sorry.
Yeah, I know. This, I would do it. I would do it neither,
I know.
We'll be here all day if I did.
Right.
The OCD kick in.
Sorry. Okay.
So that one was pretty easy, so...
All right, let's see if I can perfect it either. All right. Yes, you do need to see what it is.
Okay. So right now, stack it.
Oh no, Kathy. Oh no.
Let's do the rest of these and we'll see how. Let me get this hurry up and do these. So let's see how easy it is to pull
Oh, right.
one out. So you're in your closet. Oh, let's see. I want this white one. So you lift it up and pull it out. And the rest.
That is way better. I
So
mean,
that's nice because it just slides out.
Right. Everything. That is nice. That's very nice.
So I wonder if I could just...
Or can you put it right back in?
Oh, that's not the shirt I wanted. Yeah, that's nice. So, but...
There we are. Now they're lined up.
Here, I have some smaller shirts and we'll see. Okay. So obvious. Well, mine are smaller, but
yours is flatter.
Less
Right.
fabric.
Right.
Okay, I could see pulling it out. That was
Yes.
Let me see. Pull this one out. I didn't mess those up.
And I don't want that one. Or you wash it and you want to put it back up.
Right. Or I think you could probably just
Pick up your stack.
take
yeah,
them.
yeah,
And then
yeah,
put it back.
yeah.
Other examples, they were like for if you put in a suitcase, it would be good. I was thinking, like especially if you're traveling with kids, if you could put each of their outfits for the day on
one inside the suitcase.
Right. So it's like here's like shorts and a t-shirt.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's see, even.
It's pretty thick, but
Let's see, even. Here's mine.
okay.
Let's switch this so it's not as thick at the. But it doesn't want to sit.
Yeah, it's too kind of
Work out.
It definitely doesn't like the thickness.
Thickness.
It's a word. It is. It is now.
It is now.
It's a Robinism.
Put an Urban Dictionary. It's so that's a little thick. Like with my son's clothes, that could work. Depends on the size of your kid, I guess.
Right.
If it's
and if it was a sundress or something, but yeah.
Which would be nice because if you just like at the dresser at the hotel, so you could just pull one outfit at a time would be nice. It's almost like if there was. It's a great idea. I think it'd be a better design, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Almost like if there was clips or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what the answer is, but
right. Somebody's definitely on to the right course here. Yeah, something.
I mean, it's not terrible.
So I was just kind of like eyeballing it. I don't think. Well, I think if you try to shove it in this way, it's gonna break them.
Right.
So that's not gonna.
This is one of the smaller suitcases.
But is it a? But I wonder if it's a standard width on carry-on. So that kind of defeats the purpose a little bit. Since you have to go long ways, you're losing a ton of space.
Right.
Let me see if I go in with the thicker end first to kind of go underneath the. I'm just afraid with any kind of pressure, it's going to snap them because it's obviously just a flimsier plastic. So.
But hey, and the good news, I lost an earring and here it is.
Hey!
I was looking for that. Look at
that. Gosh.
My earring.
Now, Kathy, yours fit.
Well, that's weird because it's the same.
Well, but his hang off.
Gotcha.
So I think that obviously adds quite a bit of length. Yours don't, and it fits right in. So it'd be, if you could find a way to fold these a little shorter, but not bulkier.
No, that's possible.
But it could be perfect for you for packing.
Two wouldn't fit though with it. Not in this size.
No, but this could be for your toiletry items, shoes.
Right.
Hair dryer, if you're just looking to if you just had one carry on.
Right.
So it leaves you space to kind of build up and do, but you can get quite a bit more
of those in there.
Here. And since it's not going through, you're not being checked and going through, obviously you aren't going to be banging up and throwing around and doing things, so they actually may make it through the travel.
Yeah,
so, maybe it's just a good concept for the ladies.
Maybe. All right.
Okay, Kathy.
I don't know. I've mixed. I can see where there's mixed reviews. I really can.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think, like on this, if you have probably a medium men's shirt.
At least a medium's men's shirt to smaller.
Even my t-shirts seem to work pretty well. It's not as bulky.
Well, it doesn't have this extra length on it. So it makes it longer. So again, it wouldn't work in the suitcase for the men's large.
Maybe in a closet.
Yeah.
But for travel, I don't think it would work that well.
Yeah.
But let's see.
It would definitely keep things organized in the closet. And if you were wanting to pull something out, you're not having to pull out the whole stack to get the one It may keep you being able to kind of see, oh, I forgot about that shirt, just because it doesn't get tucked in and buried underneath the weight when they're resting on each other. I will say that John would never put one back in. Yeah. I mean, it would be 100% solely my responsibility, and I don't know that I would want it, but once I started doing it, I don't know, but.
Or even if you lifted it off and took the whole thing and then put that in the laundry room or wherever you fold your clothes.
Oh, yeah, I could see that. Yeah, because, I'm typically doing it.
They are flimsy. It's almost like if it was a hard plastic that it would, I guess I could see that would cost more. But I was thinking, see where this is bending.
Yeah. And I don't know that it necessarily costs more. It's just that these are made from recycled products, and those things do tend to cost more when you buy recycled, which is it's good, and I support it. But that could be part of why these
are flimsy. And I want to like it.
Yeah. I think
and I think for certain people it would be great for.
I think that the idea and concept is amazing. I think that it just needs to be perfected.
Right.
And then it would be.
We're not sure what that is to perfect it.
Right. But we're not going on Shark Tank yet.
No, we're not. $20 for 18. Like I said, Bed Bath & Beyond. So use your coupon if you want to try these. And if you use them and you don't like it, Bed Bath & Beyond is great about returns.
Yeah.
They really are. I mean, do you feel like it's...
Well, I feel like I just put that one back on and now it's thicker.
But it's like it feels like these are gonna...
Yeah, it does. Yeah, these...
I don't know how well this would hold up.
No, I don't either.
It's a great idea.
Yeah.
So, it's a maybe. It's a what?
Halvesy? It's a halvesy. Idea, concept, thumbs up.
Yes.
Somebody was definitely on it.
For some things.
Yes.
It's okay for some. And, if, like it said for the office, for your papers, if you wanted, like if you need to be paid, that seemed like a stretch to me.
It seems like it'd be pretty.
Because it seemed like they would slide. The papers would.
Yeah.
I don't know. They made it for the t-shirt. I think
they make file folders.
Yeah. That I think would be easier.
What I thought too is when I initially looked at the packaging, which if there was a way to do it, like it's nice that it's nice that they're single for folding, but I almost in my mind thought that these like it connected in the back.
Yeah.
Making it more sturdy.
So it would just like lift.
Right. So it's almost like if these were the inserts for a whole system.
Right. Kind of like a binder.
Yeah.
Like a 3-ring binder.
Yes.
Maybe we are going on Shark Tank.
Maybe we are. No one stole that idea. It was amazing. Well.
So if you have tried them, you like them, you hate them, you think you would love them, or if you want to try them, go to Bed Bath & Beyond. They have them. Use your coupon.
Let us know what you think.
Yes. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that little subscribe and the bell. Because the bell gives you notifications when we post new videos. So anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.